Hello folks and welcome to All Cheap Scenery. Today I'm going to be doing the second layer of my castle build, and as you can see I've got all the bits roughly marked out. Around here is where I'm going to do the rocky looking sculpture with my hot wire cutter. I'm going to go all the way around, and as you can see I've already roughly done the bridge, so that's what I'm going to be working on today. So let's get cracking. Okay, so now that's all done, and the second layer, well, the second part is finished. I've gone all around with my hot wire cutter. Just this, I think it was, can't make that out, the lighting in here is horrible. I think it was between $6.99 and $9.99. I'm not 100% sure. I've had it for a long time, but it's just been in my hobby room, just stored. Yeah, so I've gone all around it, and I've decided to actually mould some kind of boulders to go along, because I wasn't I was going to use actual rocks, but I figured that might make it a bit heavy. So what I've done is I've just got the hot wire cutter, just moulded individual bits. So I'll show it all around. And I'll give you a better look. Okay, so bridge, obviously, this will lead up to a tower that will be here. Then there'll be another bridge from a walkway I'll build across here, going to the tower. And the castle walls will be on top of this. So yeah, I hope you like this part 2 of my castle build. Just let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now, guys.